Hello, I'm Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. Today we're heading back to Sofia's house. Using the IPP workbook and with the help of her family and service coordinator, Sofia is ready for her IPP meeting. This is where all the pre-planning pays off, and Sofia is the center of the plan. Let's check in.
Okay, Ramos fam, I got a sneak peek from Mom, so I started thinking about what supports we could provide. Sounds like the life areas Sofia wants to focus on are family relationships, community participation, and supports at home. Let's start with family relationships. Sofia, how you been? Sofia, happy. That's great. Vinny, question mark. Who, me? I'm doing great because we have a surprise for you. The most important part of family relationships is communication, especially when the family's going through changes. And since you're starting high school, we all thought you might want an upgrade. Your school's providing this early so you could get the hang of it. Family relationships? Check.
You're right. It does look like Claire's electronic enigma box. Very cool.
Let's give it a whirl.
Happy electronic pad. Cool.
Oh.
Whoa, one sec. Let me fix that real quick.
New voice selected.
How's that? Better?
Yes.
Cool. Let's get back to business. I see moving to Paris is no longer what's most important to you. It says here you want to find something in the community that's just for you. I love that. This is something we could actually help with. Paris was a little above my pay grade to authorize. So, is there an activity or club you want to explore?
Sister, detective, book, phone.
Oh, that's right. Sofia wants to join this club.
Hey. Do you love mystery books? Do you wish you could be a detective? Well, now you can. We're accepting new members to the Mystery Mavens. Not just a book club, but a mystery club. We read books, we go to conventions, we even explore cold cases. The world is your mystery to solve.
So, you want to join the Mystery Mavens? I think that's very doable. What about you guys? What do you think?
It looks fun, mija.
Community participation? Done.
It does, but there are many things to think about, like how do you get there?
They meet on weekends at Bargeman's Books. I can drop her off on my way to work. She just needs to be picked up.
Bathroom, food, car.
Oh, someone would have to go with her.
This is something that's very important for Sofia. So I have an idea. Personal assistance, which is one-on-one support to help Sofia with her normal day-to-day tasks.
Is this included in her respite hours, like the assistance that Uncle Tito is paid to provide?
No, it's an additional service on top of respite. You could keep the hours you already have.
How much is that?
Don't worry, it's covered by the Regional Center. We work with agencies that provide trained staff. I could set up an appointment, and you could find the best match to provide personal assistance services. And that's supports at home.
Anyone want something to drink? I'll be right back.
What's up with Mom?
Let's take a break. I'll go help your mom. You guys take a minute to find the perfect voice for Sofia.
Sofia!
Sofia.
Sofia!
Yes, that's totally you. Aw, I love hearing your new voice, Sofia.
Sofia! Worried person, nice?
Don't worry, mija. We will find you the perfect helper.
I love you, family.
Okay, if we are going to do this, then it isn't enough for you to just have a helper. We need a plan in case there is an emergency.
Yes, Mom!
That's going to take some getting used to. Now, Vinny, let's discuss the emergency plan. I need to get Sofia a cell phone, pre-programmed with her health info, location settings, and contact numbers.
You got it.
Because Sofia and her family worked together to complete her IPP workbook, Vinny discovered what is important to and for Sofia and her family. With that information, he was able to suggest services to meet their needs. The workbook is designed to help you have thoughtful conversations as you develop your IPP. Remember, your circle of support strives to be person-centered in all they do, and that person in the center is you.